This is Gatorade soap. Come on! What more could you ask for? How do I do it? I went with Fruit Punch and Cool Blue. I wanted to keep the two classic Gatorade flavors. Post your favorite flavor below. What I learned quickly is that Gatorade isn't really that good. I don't care if I get hate. Haterade? What I wanted to do was replace the water with the lye for Gatorade. So I thought I'd freeze it, and that way I could retain more of the Gatorade properties, that it wouldn't heat up so much and undergo quite as heavy as a reaction. Did I need to do it? Probably not. And then the recipe is in the description, but I used castor oil, coconut oil, and then vegetable and corn respectively for red and blue. And then obviously you need your lye, you need all your supplies, your spatulas, the cutter, your mold, the stick blender. I did a double batch, or what I would call a single full batch. I split it in half, red and blue. So pop those ice cubes into your bowls, weigh out your lye, and then add your lye to your cubes. You can do this inside probably because they don't really give off the steam in the reaction since it's so cold. It takes a lot longer. Cold, kind of like my channel. You know, I could use some subscriptions, some likes, any of that good stuff. Send it my way. All right, so then you gotta weigh out your oils. I started with the castor for no particular reason, and then the vegetable and corn. And then what I did with the coconut was microwaved it. That way it would be runnier and easier to work with, and it would bring the temp up a bit, which was pretty low from the ice cubes and the lye. Like usually it runs a bit hotter. All right, so pour that all out. Next step is to add your Gatorade lye in. You can see the blue lost color completely. The red held pretty good, so don't really know what happened there. Then hit it with the stick blender, and then I also had a mix of essential oils and micas. Nothing crazy, just whatever colors I had on hand to try and get that blue and red. In hindsight, I probably should have used a bit more mica, but I still think they turned out great. All right, the blue traced quick because I had a mint oil in there, and that always does that. No big deal, I only panicked slightly. And the red didn't really accelerate at all. They turn out nice. They work great. They smell nice. There's Gatorade in the soap. I mean, what more could you ask for? It's Gatorade soap.